Let's keep walking. So that looks quite nice in there. Maybe a bit more upmarket. Nice white tablecloths. Yeah, looking forward to finding somewhere nice for dinner tonight. Whether we do a video or not, I don't know. So just as I'm walking around, because I never knew anything about Graz, I thought, well, let's Google it as a city. Sorry, I just switched the camera around there and I shouldn't have. So I'll just put it behind me here. Look up this little street. There's even more little cafes and bars and, you know, places to just, sorry about that, places to just stop and enjoy your life. And people just doing that. Everybody. Yeah, so, sorry, I googled Graz and I asked how safe is it? And you know what the great news about Graz is? It's perfectly safe. There was no warnings at all. Nobody mentioned anything about crime, and there's no sort of unsafe areas that you need to avoid. So come to Graz with confidence. Just going to cut through here. Seen this little archway and seen people walking. Landhaus Graz. So again, I don't know what this is, but it's very impressive. Look at this little square tucked away. So lots of chairs here, so there's obviously some kind of event planned for some point. I don't know what it is. But isn't it great? Isn't it awesome just to be able to see these places you haven't planned to see and just stick your head through the door and film it and share it. Look at that sky, beautiful sky. Yeah, just film it and share it with you guys. So I hope you like it. I'm going to continue down where I was going and then come round the bottom end and probably start making my way back to the main train station. Because I'm conscious of time. Yeah, so there must be the equivalent of a siesta here. I've noticed all the shops, or quite a lot of the shops are shut. Look, Dunkin' Donuts, remember that? Remember that on the corner at Dizzy Corner? Just called Dunkin' now. But it was Dunkin' Donuts. As opposed to me, where I'm often called Dunkin' Disorderly. Look at that. So this is the Styrian Armoury. So it's obviously a museum where you can go and have a look at all the old armour. Let's have a look at the opening times and the entry costs for you. So it's opening times April to October, Tuesday to Sunday, public holidays 10 till 6, and November to March. Admission only as part of a guided tour. So it looks like it's free, unless you're coming as part of a guided tour. So let's have a wee look. So yeah, this is obviously the tourist shop here. I'm not going to wander through the whole museum, but a little bit of information here about the Styria, because we're here for the MotoGP and it's called the Styrian GP. So we don't know what the Styrian means, so The period from 15th to 18th centuries was a turbulent time for Styria. So that must be Austria, I don't know. What's the difference between Austria and Styria? Do you know? Let us know in the comments. So this is one of the largest preserved historic armories in the world, and around 32,000 pieces of military equipment are displayed here over 4 floors. So again, I'm not going to go in, because I don't have time today. Maybe we'll go tomorrow, I don't know. So it says free, but I'm just looking here that adults are €12, 24-hour tickets €18, and 40 hours 23. You get a reduced rate for €11. I think that's if you're seniors. So keep that in mind as well. So roughly €12 to get in and have a look at the Styrian Museum. But yeah, these shops are all shut. And that just makes me chuckle. I watched a video the other day of an American walking through, I think it was Madrid, at 3:30 in the afternoon. And he was outraged that everywhere was shut. You know, in his American drawl, he was banging on about, I can't believe it, all the shops are closed. How can these shops make money when they're all closed? Forgive the American attempt at an American accent. But he was outraged, just walking along, and every one of these shops is closed. What the hell's going on, man? And it made me chuckle that, has he never heard of siesta? In Spain they have the siesta, and most places between 2 and 5, and everywhere shuts down. You think he would have checked that first, before making himself look like a dick. Anyway, look at this. How old is that building? What is it? Let's go and have a look and see what it is. Let's see what it is. I don't know what it is. The Stadtpfarrkirche Graz. Can you go in? Let's have a look. It's a church of some description. Hope you can see this okay. I'm not going to say too much. So it's a church or a chapel. And I would say, in the absence of having Jesus on the cross, that it's probably a church. Again, if you know better, let me know. I'm just going to take in the site of this church, chapel, whatever it is, rather than talk through it. So as many of you will know if you watched my previous videos, I'm not a religious person, but given that there's some crosses there with no Jesus on it, and all around the chapel or church, whatever it is, there's no Stations of the Cross, it would suggest to me that it's not a Catholic building, but maybe you know different. Let me know in the comments. What is it and what religion does it cover? Let's carry on.